Welcome to the Food AI Studio training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a food delivery website in Food AI Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Domain. It will direct you to the Domain Add page. Now click on the Add Domain option. Your subdomain name should be in lowercase and up to 12 characters in length. Now add all required details like subdomain name, description, logo, and favicon. Click on Save and your domain is created. You can see your food delivery domain site. To add food items to your food site, you need to create a food category first. Now go to the left menu and click on Food Category. Now click on Add New Category. Now fill in all required details like domain, category title, description, and category image. You can also create AI content by using AI Content Finder. Click on Submit and your food category will be added. You can create AI HD images by using AI Content Finder. Now go to Menu Management. Click on Add Food. Fill out your basic details like domain site, food title, etc. You can use AI Content Finder to create awesome AI-powered contents for your food menu. Now add component. Description. Food image. Food price. Click on Add and your food item is added. Thanks for watching the video.